In this question, you need to make a quadratic equation that models the rope being used by a tightrope walker as he plans to cross the Niagara Falls. The tightrope hangs in a parabolic arc, and the falls are 298 meters across. The tightrope walker begins 51 meters above water, and the tightrope is 12 meters lower in the center than it is on the sides. The origin for our parabolic arc is set at water level directly below the walker's starting position. We need to make an equation in general form. So the first thing that we're going to do is figure out where our vertex is. So 298 meters across, the halfway point, or the middle point for that, would be 149 meters. So that's going to be the x value for our vertex. Now we know that the tightrope is 12 meters lower in the center. If the walker starts 51 meters up and it gets 12 meters lower, that means that our lowest possible value is at 39 meters. So our vertex is going to be at 149 meters and 39 meters. We're going to use that information to help us get started. We're going to take that information, we're going to put it into the formula in vertex form. We know what our vertex is, so we're going to fill in for the p and q values. Next, we're going to take the point, that y-intercept, and we're going to use the x value and the y value. We're going to fill those into the equation as well. Now we can use this equation to solve for a. So 0 minus 149 is negative 149. And if we subtract 39 off of both sides, we're left with 12. Now we're going to square negative 149, and we get 22,201. Dividing both sides by 22,201, we find out that a equals 0.000540561. Now I've carried a lot of decimal places there, and the reason for that is that the question asked for it to be rounded to 5 decimal places. So I'm going to put that value into the equation for a. And now I need to follow the order of operations in order to solve for the rest of the equation in general form. So we're going to square x minus 49, and when we do that, we get x squared minus 298x's plus 22,201. Now we're going to multiply all of those by the a value. And we're going to round everything to 5 decimal places. Our last step is to take that 12 and 39 and add it up to give us our c value, our constant. Now that value is the same value as our y-intercept, so it worked out to be 51, which is great. So we've got an a value of 0.00054, a b value of negative 0.16107, and a c value of 51. Alright, so let's fill in our answers. Our a value is 0.00054. Our b value is negative 0.16107. And our c value is 51.